Hello friends, today I will tell you how to repair this Apple AirPods Pro. We have a problem in one earpiece, this one, the other one is okay. This one fell many times and also once it was dropped in water. So I will tell you how to fix this one. Okay, first we will open it without damaging its surface. Pick some sharp tool or use your nails. Okay, there we saw there's a battery. Okay, this negative wire is broken. I think this is the fault, so we will repair this. That's the earpiece and the other wires looks okay. Okay, let us check how its internal circuit is. That's the main IC of the earpiece. So we will solder this black wire, the negative one, with the circuit. Okay, now we have fixed the problem. Now we will close it down. Okay, this one is going to be closed now. Just remember the place you have opened it before. You see the white notches, and then close it firmly. Now we will check in the container box one by one. So this one is also detected and the other one is also detected, so it's mean the fault is removed. Thanks for watching.